Hey guys, this is my train video, and this is my train track, and I hope you like it.
Yeah, we're doing this up in the hayloft. This is where we get the name Barn Loft Studios from, even though we haven't got around to getting this place finished to where we can make it a studio yet, but we're gonna work on it.
Yeah.
And look at this. Oh, Cricket's come to visit. We'll give you a tour of the specific individual parts here in just a little bit, but yeah, Cole wanted to make a wooden train and Matchbox / Hot Wheels city. So I think we did a pretty good job with what we have.
And my daddy likes where I put some of the things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was a really good placement of stuff. And all right, now that you've got an overview, we'll give you a walk around.
Yep.
Just one moment. All right, we're going to start this tour
with the mountain.
The mountain and the bat cave. Then we move into this area, which has, you said that was the mountain
Police station.
The mountain police station. Another mountain. All these bridges.
And the mine.
Yeah. Got some mine cars that came out of this mine right here. And we have another police station. And a garage. And the beach. Ta-da! And this
is the Monster Amusement Park.
The Monster Amusement Park. We have the mummy ride.
And the graveyard.
Yeah, graveyard zombie ride. We have a roundhouse.
And the train wash.
Yep. That's our train wash. We have
and there's a piece of the city.
Yep. Another police station and bank and a jail. Oh! Good eye, Cole. We forgot the fire station. You need a fire station with any good town.
Daddy, I forgot. I just remembered that in the box.
Alright. Well, since it's up here, and as you can see on the floor, we got a lot of dust already. We'll have to blow all these things off and put them back in the boxes, but that is our city.
Yep.
We hope you enjoy it.
Uh-huh.
Bye, YouTube. Oh,
Bye.
please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye now.
Thank you. Bye.